How will the next wave of AI redefine our world? What groundbreaking advancements are poised to transform industries? Discover Nvidia's CEO Jensen Huang's latest revelation at CES, where he unveiled the innovative steps Nvidia is taking towards a future dominated by physical AI. Evolution of AI technologies by Nvidia. Nvidia, a trailblazer in artificial intelligence, has consistently pushed the boundaries of what AI can achieve. From enhancing computer graphics to revolutionizing machine learning workflows, Nvidia's innovations have laid the groundwork for the latest evolution in AI technologies. At the forefront of this evolution are three pivotal stages: generative AI, agent AI, and the groundbreaking physical AI. Generative AI represents the initial phase in this technological progression. This form of AI focuses on creating content, whether it's images, text, or even code, by learning from vast datasets. Nvidia has been instrumental in enhancing generative AI capabilities, making it more efficient and accessible across various sectors, including entertainment, automotive, and healthcare. These advancements have not only improved productivity, but have also opened new avenues for creative and practical applications. Transitioning from generative AI, agent AI steps into the spotlight as a more dynamic form of intelligence. This stage involves AI that can interact with its environment in a responsive and adaptive manner, much like a human agent. Nvidia's developments in agent AI are set to revolutionize industries by enabling smarter, more responsive systems that can make decisions in real time. From customer service bots that can understand and react to human emotions, to complex systems that manage logistics and supply chains, agent AI's potential is vast. The most exciting advancement, however, is physical AI. As envisioned by Nvidia, physical AI goes beyond digital and enters the physical realm, encompassing technologies such as robotics and autonomous vehicles. This form of AI integrates sensors and data from the physical world, allowing machines to perceive, understand, and navigate their environments autonomously. Nvidia's push into physical AI aims to bridge the gap between digital instructions and physical actions, enabling machines to perform tasks with precision and adapt to new situations as they arise. Physical AI explained. Physical AI is a revolutionary step in the evolution of artificial intelligence, where the digital capabilities of machines extend into the physical world. This form of AI involves devices and robots performing tasks that require interaction with the real world, such as driving cars, operating machinery, or even assisting in homes and hospitals. Nvidia, a leader in AI technology, is at the forefront of developing physical AI, aiming to make these interactions as seamless and intuitive as possible. Physical AI is about bringing the intelligence of software into the hardware that can move and react in the real world. Imagine robots that not only understand commands, but can also physically carry them out by manipulating objects, navigating complex environments, and making real-time decisions based on sensory data. These robots could perform tasks ranging from assembling intricate machinery on a factory floor to providing companionship and assistance to the elderly in their homes. Nvidia's approach to physical AI involves several key technologies. One of the core components is the use of sensors that gather data from the robot's environment. This data might include visual information, measurements of distances, or even sounds. Just like humans use their senses to understand the world, these sensors help robots perceive their surroundings accurately. Another crucial element is the processing power provided by Nvidia's advanced chips and software platforms. These allow the robots to process the vast amounts of data they collect in milliseconds, making decisions swiftly and accurately. For example, in the context of self-driving cars, this technology processes data from cameras and radar to navigate roads safely, recognizing everything from traffic signals to pedestrians. Nvidia also uses something called simulation to train these AI systems. By creating virtual models of the real world, they can simulate millions of different scenarios that a robot might encounter. This training happens in a controlled digital environment before the AI ever interacts with the real world. which enhances the safety and efficiency of these systems once they are deployed. Physical AI also addresses the challenge of teaching robots to perform tasks that are intuitive for humans, but complex for machines, such as adapting to unexpected changes in their environment or handling delicate objects. Through advanced machine learning techniques, robots are trained to understand and predict physical dynamics, like how objects move and interact, which is critical for tasks that require a high degree of precision. Nvidia Cosmos Platform. The Nvidia Cosmos Platform is a cutting-edge technology designed to empower developers and engineers to build more advanced AI applications, particularly in the realm of physical AI. This platform is crucial for developing systems that interact intelligently with the real world, such as robots and autonomous vehicles. At its core, the Nvidia Cosmos Platform is about creating virtual environments where AI can learn and evolve before it ever interacts with the real world. These environments are incredibly detailed and can mimic real-world physics, lighting, and other conditions that AI will face outside of the digital realm. This is essential for training AI to handle the unpredictable nature of the physical world. The Cosmos platform utilizes several innovative technologies to achieve this. First, it includes world foundation models. These are sophisticated models that can understand and generate responses based on the data they receive, whether it's text, images, or videos. For example, if an AI in a self-driving car needs to understand a street scene, world foundation models can process the incoming visual data to help the car make safe driving decisions. Another key component of the Cosmos platform is advanced tokenizers. These tools break down complex data into smaller, manageable pieces that the AI can analyze more effectively. For instance, in a video of a busy intersection, a tokenizer might separate different elements like cars, pedestrians, and traffic lights so that the AI can focus on each component individually. Additionally, the platform leverages Nvidia CUDA, a parallel computing architecture that allows for extremely fast processing of large datasets. This is particularly important when AI must make split-second decisions, such as when navigating through traffic or avoiding obstacles in robotics applications. The Cosmos platform also includes an innovative feature called Omniverse integration. Nvidia Omniverse is a virtual collaboration and simulation environment that allows developers to build complex scenarios that AI can learn from. For example, they can create a virtual city where autonomous vehicles navigate through various traffic conditions. The AI learns from these simulations, making it better prepared for real-world driving, real-world applications, and implications. Nvidia's advancements in physical AI are paving the way for significant changes across multiple industries. By bringing AI into the physical world, Nvidia is not just enhancing existing technologies, but also creating new possibilities for automation and efficiency. Here are some of the key areas where physical AI can have a profound impact. One of the most prominent applications of physical AI is in self-driving cars. Nvidia's technology enables vehicles to understand their environment and make decisions in real time. This could lead to safer roads, as AI-driven cars are less likely to make errors than human drivers. It also opens up possibilities for more efficient public transportation and logistics, as self-driving trucks and buses become more reliable and widespread. In factories, physical AI can automate complex tasks that were previously done by humans, such as assembling products or managing inventory. Robots equipped with AI can learn to handle different materials, work alongside humans, and adapt to changing conditions on the factory floor. This not only increases productivity, but also improves worker safety by taking over dangerous or repetitive tasks. Physical AI can revolutionize healthcare by performing tasks ranging from surgical assistance to routine patient care. Robots can help in surgeries with precision beyond human capabilities, and they can manage day-to-day tasks in hospitals, such as delivering medication or monitoring patient vitals, which allows healthcare professionals to focus more on patient care and less on administrative tasks. Nvidia's strategic initiatives and partnerships. Nvidia is not just innovating on its own, it's also forming strategic partnerships that amplify the impact of its technologies in the realm of physical AI. These collaborations are crucial for bringing Nvidia's advanced AI solutions into real-world applications across various industries. Here's a closer look at how Nvidia is working with other leaders and innovators. Nvidia has teamed up with several top car manufacturers to integrate its AI technologies into the next generation of autonomous vehicles. Companies like Toyota, Volvo, and Mercedes are using Nvidia's platforms to enhance their cars with better self-driving capabilities. These partnerships help speed up the development and deployment of autonomous driving technology, aiming to make roads safer and more efficient. In the field of robotics, Nvidia's collaboration with companies like BMW and Fanuc illustrates its commitment to transforming traditional manufacturing processes. By integrating Nvidia's AI into robots, these factories are becoming more automated and flexible, capable of producing high-quality goods with greater efficiency and lower costs. As we've explored today, Nvidia's groundbreaking steps in AI development are setting the stage for a future where technology seamlessly interacts with the physical world. Nvidia is at the forefront of an AI revolution. If you're excited about the future of AI and technology, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon to stay updated with our latest discussions and insights.